Hey, what up, guys? This is KylaTea, and this is actually my third time recording this. I don't know what's up with either Audacity or my microphone or something, but yeah, it keeps skipping, and I'm not quite sure what's going on. But this drawing, if you can tell by the title alone, is a little bit of a piece of fan art for the Finesse remix video with Bruno Mars and CardiB. I actually remember watching CardiB when she first came on Love and Hip Hop New York, and I always really wanted to draw her, but I just felt like I could never get her right. And I think that's why I decided to go with the chibi style. But I'm really proud of her to see how far she's come, and just how far she's been able to make it. Good on you, Cardi. This whole video, though, I absolutely adore it. Like the whole 90s aesthetic and the homage to In Living Color, which I think is one of the top tier. If you are going into sketch comedy or improv comedy or something like that, and you take a class and they at least don't bring up In Living Color along with Saturday Night Live, then you need to get out of there, because I believe that In Living Color had done so much for the just the whole entertainment industry, and it opened so many doors and pathways. Like, it gave us Jim Carrey. Like, come on now. But yeah, so before I continue rambling, expect with this one and probably a couple of more videos to be very 90s related. Like, I feel like last year they said that the sorry for the cars outside, they're always junky and loud, but I feel like last year was a big revival of the 80s, from everything to style to fucking politics, and this year I think is gonna be a revival of the 90s. So we're gonna see how that turns out, so yeah, strap in, kids. It's gonna be a wild ride, but hey, at least hopefully we get the best of the 90s this year, but please sit back, relax, and enjoy this nice video. And here's the final piece, and you might have noticed that somewhere toward the end I was screwing around with different settings. I was trying to make it a gift, but it just didn't work out, so I said forget it. But yeah, here's the completed piece. And if you like what I do and you want to see more of it, think about following me on Facebook. Check out my Instagram, where I'm actually doing $3 icon commissions. Yes, $3 icon commissions. And if you like what I do and you want to help support, maybe think about buying me a cup of coffee. Go to my coffee page and you can tip me $3. Yes, a flat $3 rate. And it's always appreciated. It helps me out so much, and it allows me extra time to get content out to you guys and more artwork. And if you want to see more videos, please think about hitting that subscribe button and also that little bell so you can get a notification and be able to type first in the comment section. So I'll see you all later. I hope you have a great day, and yeah, bye.